So 2016 question, if the standard deviation of the numbers 2, 3 in A, this is small a, and 11 is 3.5, then which of the following is true? Right? So we need not required to find out the value of A, because all options containing A. So we have to just simplify and find out the standard deviation. Right? So for standard deviation, you have formula, right? S square, that is variance, right? And if you find out then which of the following standard deviation, okay, this is given, so we can find out variance. So here variance is equal to S square, that is given 3.5. This is standard deviation, so we have to square it, that is 3.5 whole square is your variance. Standard deviation square is variance, right? And observations are given this. Now you have formula for this S square is sigma xi square upon n minus sigma xi upon n whole square. That means we need sigma xi and sigma xi square, and substitute the value. We will get any expression of out of these four, right? So S square is 3.5 whole square. So this is 3.5 whole square is equal to sigma xi square. So observations are given this. So that square is 4 plus 9 plus a square and 11, that is plus 121. Divide by n is 4 observations. So we have to divide by 4 minus sigma xi, that is 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 4 whole square. So this is 3.5 whole square. So remaining leave it as it is 3.5 whole square. This is 121, 30, 34. That is 134 plus a square divided by 4 and minus. This is 11, 3, 14, 16 plus a, right? So this is 16 plus a divided by 4 whole square. Taking 16 LCM. So 16 into 9, that is 196. So if you multiply 16 into square of this is 196 is equal to, have to multiply by 4 here because we are taking 4 square, that is 16 LCM. So 4 into 134 plus a square minus this is 16 plus a whole square. Now we need to simplify this thing. So simplifying this, what we get? 196 is equal to 134 into 4, that is 400 plus 120 plus 16, right? So 536. So we will get 536 plus 4a square. Now square of this, 16 square is 256. So minus 256 minus 32a and minus a square. This is 32a. 32a, right? So this is 4a square minus a square is 3a square, right? 536 minus 256, right? So 256 and 4 260 and 40 300 and 136. So 136 and 4 180. So this is equal to plus 180, right? Minus 32a minus 196 is equal to 0. Minus 196 is equal to 0. So this is 32a. We will get 3a square, right? Minus 32a, right? And minus 16 equal to 0. Minus 16 equal to 0. So our answer will be 3a square minus 32a plus 84 होना चाहिए, हमारा 16 आया. So we will make some mistake here. This is 500, 256. So that is 180. 200. Let us check. Okay, so here this will be 280. So 280 minus 196, that is 84. So plus 84 equal to 0. That is our option B is the correct answer. So option B is correct answer, right? Question from 2009 as well as a question from 2016. The same question is repeated in 2016 also. If the mean of the numbers 1, 1 plus d, 1 plus 2d, dash 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 1 plus 100d from their mean is 255 is given 255, right? Then the value of d is, right? So it is given that mean deviation of the numbers, mean deviations of the number. So we did here mean deviation of the numbers is given this. So for mean deviation from mean, that means we have to find out first of all mean, because the mean deviation from mean, right? Formula is sigma modulus of xi minus x bar whole upon n. Means we require mean x bar first. So mean of these all observations, that is x bar. So first of all, x bar is equal to sum of all observations, that is 1 plus d plus 1 plus 2d plus dash dash dash, right? Continue here. In last term is 1 plus 100d, right? Whole upon number of observations is n, right? This is n, this is a formula. Now see here, observations. This is 1 to 100 and then plus 1. So n is equal to what? Number of n is 101. Total number of observation is 101. Right? Now this is 1 to 101 times. So this is 101 plus. Now this is d to d up to 100d. So we take d common. Then this is d plus 2d. So we take d common. Then this is 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 plus 100. Right? Whole upon 101. That is total number of observations. Now you know this is the sum of first n natural number, that is first 100 natural number, and sum of first n natural number sigma n is n plus 1 by 2. So we have to take n is equal to 100 here. So if we take n is equal to 100, then our answer will be 101 divided by 2. So answer will be 101 divided by 2. That is answer is 50 into 101. Answer is 50 into 101. So this is equal to 101 plus d, and answer of this is 50 into 101 divided by 101. Right? So now this 101 is common, so this will be cut. So what is our answer? Answer will be 1 plus 50d. 1 plus 50d. So this is your x bar. Now what we require? We require xi minus x bar. We require xi minus x bar. First example, first observation is 1. So now if we want this, then we have to find the value of this modulus of xi minus x bar. So first xi minus x bar, right? Sigma, I'm writing sigma modulus of xi minus x bar. Then we divide by n. Then we divide this by n. Okay. So first observation is 1 minus x bar is this. So first observation is 1 minus 1 plus 50d. This is first observation. Second observation is 1 plus d, that is xi. So this is plus 1 plus d and minus 1 plus 50d. This is second observation. Third observation is plus 1 plus 2d minus 1 plus 50d. This is your x bar, right? So continuing in this way, after some step, we will get here 1 plus 50d minus 1 plus 50d, right? Then 1 plus 51d minus 1 plus 51d, sorry, 1 plus 50d. And continuing in this way, last term will be 1 plus, last observation is 1 plus 100d. So 1 plus 100d minus 1 plus 50d. This is your sum of xi minus x bar, that is deviation from mean. This is deviation from mean. So now this one will be cut. Answer is, now this is equal to, answer is, I am writing this whole simplification here, answer is 50d, right? Then this one cancel, so d minus 50, 49, but we have modulus, we have to take positive value, so minus, we are not writing minus, so plus 49d plus simplification of this 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 minus 50 minus 48, but we have modulus, so 48d. So in continuing this way, here we get 0, here we get 0. Now here again 51 minus 50d, that is plus 1, that is plus d, so plus d. Then continuing this way, here we get 50d, so 50d, right? Before this, what we have? 49. Here we have 49d and here 50d. So minus d, that is plus d. So here is also plus d. That means we have two times d250d here and here d250d. So that is two times d250d sequence. Got it? Right? So sum of this is equal to 2 times, and taking d common, so I am writing d common here also. Then we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 up to 50 term. Got it? Got it? Right? This is the simplification of this here, but I am writing here in column. Okay? Got it? This is 50, 49. At one stage we get d, then 0, then again d. This is minus d, but due to modulus we are writing plus. Then d to 50d. So that means we have 2 times these observations and taking d common. Now sum of 50 terms. Again, n is equal to 50. If we take n equal to 50, then our answer will be 50 into 50 into n plus 1, that is 51, divided by 2. That is 25 into 51. So answer is 25 into 51. So this is 2 times d into sum of these numbers is 25 into 51. So 25 into 51, that is d into 50 into 51 again. So this is sigma xi minus x bar, and we have a mean deviation about mean is. Now formula for this is mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma xi minus x bar upon n. Now mean deviation is 255. So 255 into 101 is equal to into 101, I am writing n here. So 101 is equal to sigma is d into 50 into 51. Right? So your answer will be d is equal to 255 into 101 upon 50 into 51. 50 into 51. So 51 into 4 is not there. 51 to 50 plus. Right? So this is 5. Right? And this 5, this 10. So what we get? D is equal to 10.1. D is equal to 10.1 is your proper answer. That is option A is your correct answer. So correct answer is option A. So in this type of example, you have to spend time. But if you have in mind that you are able to make a oral calculation of this, right? Because see, if we have this observation and we have mean this, then 1 minus 1, 50d, then 49, then you have to consider one observation which are not, we are not writing all observations. So there is a 1 plus 50, that is 0, and 51, that is 51 minus 50, 1. So you have, if in mind that these are the remaining sum, then you have to write these types only. No need to type this, but this is for your understanding. And for that, if you write now, then you are master for exam, right? So do practice this type of sums because this is important sum. It's asked for 2 times in 2009 and 2016. Okay.